From a small shed in Milwaukee to the highways of the world, Harley-Davidson has become more than a motorcycle. It's a legend of freedom, built on steel and spirit. It began with two young pioneers, William S. Harley and Arthur Davidson, a blueprint for speed, endurance, and a dream that refused to quit. In a small wooden shed, the first heartbeat took shape, piece by piece, bolt by bolt. They built their first prototype to conquer hills and time itself. On dirt roads and open fields, Harley-Davidson proved its grit. From shed to factory, the name spread, not with noise, but with performance. A mark of endurance was born. Durability and speed turned heads at races and on Main Street alike. Craftsmanship guided every turn of the wrench, reliable, relentless. When the world called, Harley-Davidson answered. Thousands of motorcycles supplied to the U.S. Army, steel in service of freedom. In the roar of engines, messages moved faster than fear. The legend took root where courage met the open road. The Roaring '20s brought speed, style, and a new swagger. Harley-Davidson became the emblem of American motion. Production grew, and with it, a culture built on reliability. Innovation rolled on with models like the VL, a testament to endurance. Then came the Great Depression, hard times testing harder machines. Harley survived by innovating, adapting, and refusing to fold. The emblem prevailed, a promise of quality forged in adversity. On farms and in towns, these bikes kept America moving. War returned, and with it, a legend on two wheels. The WLA, the Liberator, became a trusted ally in the fight for freedom. Rugged, simple, dependable, built to endure the unimaginable. Harleys were easy to service, a lifeline in the field. When peace returned, the spirit of the road called louder than ever. From sacrifice emerged a hunger for open skies and the promise of the horizon. A new era waited, rumbling just beyond the city limits. Freedom, rebellion, craftsmanship, the American spirit on two wheels. The 1950s brought prosperity and the rise of the open road dream. Clubs formed, bonds tightened, and a brotherhood found its voice. The rebel spirit took shape, equal parts grit and grace. Pop culture amplified the myth, the bike as a passport to freedom. In movies like Easy Rider, the world saw the soul of the American road. Craftsmanship passed from hand to hand, a legacy of feel and sound. The 1970s ushered in the AMF years, growth with growing pains. Quality struggled under pressure, and the brand felt the strain. But the community held strong. Riders kept the flame alive. In garages across America, devotion outworked doubt. Harley-Davidson was more than a machine, it was identity. In the 1980s, Harley-Davidson took back control, a rebirth in the making. Quality surged. Precision met tradition. Craft and consistency returned to the spotlight. Once again, Harley symbolized freedom and individuality. The culture roared back, louder, prouder, unstoppable. From touring legends to street bruisers, the lineup set the tone. A new century called for new ideas and the courage to chase them. Innovation would ride beside heritage into the 2000s. A new century called for new ideas and the courage to chase them. The 2000s brought technology without losing the timeless heartbeat. From coast to canyon, Harleys thundered across every horizon. Cutting-edge manufacturing elevated strength and standards. Power refined, torque with character. Cruisers, tourers, and performance machines. A stable for every kind of road. The highway became a canvas. The rider, the artist. Then came a new spark, quiet, instant, electric. Livewire proved evolution and heritage can ride side by side. Silent speed, unmistakable soul. Innovation aimed at tomorrow, without letting go of yesterday. From Milwaukee to the world, Harley culture crossed every border. Different languages, one dialect, the road. Craftsmanship thrives. a conversation between riders and machines, freedom and identity, not just owned, but lived. From a shed to a symbol, Harley-Davidson became the road beneath our dreams. Generations ride together, steel passing down a story of spirit. From every corner of the map, one promise remains: